Good morning, class 1. Class 1, in chapter number 3, you have studied about 4 important and main parts of computer. So today we will learn little bit more about few parts. Okay? So first I want to tell you a bit about monitor. See children, whatever we will do in the computer, it will be shown on the monitor. Whether we use keyboard, we use mouse, anything, even joystick, it will be all reflected in the computer. Whether you want to work or you want to play or you want to watch movie or listen music, it will be done on the monitor. So monitor is a very important part of the computer system. Okay children, when we switch on the computer system, it starts on its own, and if it is not, the screen is not displayed, you need to check a button here. Okay, usually it is on the right side. Okay, like here this button is given. Okay, so you need to start this button from here, or it might be down under. Okay, so if I switch off this button, the monitor will be switched off. Okay, and if I again click it on, it will restart. Okay, the screen will be same as it was before switching off, so the data will not be lost, but your screen will disappear. Okay children, now we will learn a bit about keyboard. This is keyboard children. In keyboard you can see many keys here, so I am going to tell you a bit about the keys which you can use or you must be using even now. See children, these are alphabet keys. Okay, these are alphabet key. All the alphabet keys are given here. All the alphabets are given as keys here, but they are not in alphabetical order. As you can see, they are not like A, B, C, D. It is not given in that order. Okay, so this type of keyboard in which these keys are given like this, it is usually called QWERTY keyboard. Why it is called QWERTY keyboard? Because you can see Q, W, E, R, T, Y. They are together. Okay, so that is why it is called QWERTY keyboard. Even if you will see some keyboards of different companies, you will find the keys are like this. Okay, now when we start typing, these buttons are typed in small letters. First will be capital and then these will come in small. Suppose we want to type only capital letter. So what you will do, there is a key here, caps lock. When we press caps lock here, if we will press one time, here a light will be blinked. Okay, this middle light. So it will start typing capital letters. You can see capital A here. Okay, and if we will blink, switch it off, like we will press it once more, so it will be off here. Okay, can you see the light has stopped? So it will start typing it in small letter again. So caps lock is used for typing only capital letters, when we want only capital letters. These alphabet keys are also called alphanumeric keys. Alphanumeric keys. Okay, now these are number keys, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 till 9, because after 9 we can